I think artificial intelligence is one of those things that are very important for us to continue to keep an eye on. And I'm glad that as a business we are involved with artificial intelligence in terms of remote management of assets. If you look at the recent spate of thefts of assets in public schools in this country, you can see where artificial intelligence could have played a role in terms of managing and protecting some of those assets. You see, we have computers in schools which are given to schools that are sort of serving poorer communities, and these schools actually do need these assets very much. And what happens is that their usage and their storage and their security can better be enhanced if you deploy artificial intelligence tools in those environments. You want a situation where the use of servers, the use of computers, the use of computer peripherals is protected, tagged, and therefore if you start monitoring the relationship between the actual user of those assets, the storage of those assets, in order to protect them and get value to the user. And I'm glad that, although we're not involved directly in the schools project, but I'm glad that we are involved in supporting other asset management efforts using artificial intelligence. One other thing that I think we need to pay attention to is, as a country now, is on the issue of quantum computing. I just wish that there was a bit more research allocation towards quantum computing, and that South Africa becomes a big contributor to the quantum computing effort by allocating a lot more of the state and private sector resources towards research. The data tells me there's about 10,000 researchers globally at the moment, and countries are now jostling for advantage with respect to the race towards quantum computing. And so we do hope as a business that we also pay attention and keep our eyes close to these developments. Thank you.